Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're taking a closer look at an online jewelry store that's been popping up, Telegelam.com. It looks cute, very stylish, but our sources are pointing to a pretty big gap between what they advertise and what people actually get.
Right.
So our mission is pretty simple. Figure out if this is a legit store or just, another deceptive setup.
That's exactly it. We've basically taken a checklist of all the common red flags for online shopping, the stuff experts look for, and we've applied it right to Telegelam. For you listening, the goal here is to give you a quick way to spot these kinds of scams before you even think about pulling out your wallet.
Okay, so let's get right into it. The first thing that jumps out is the customer experience. The site says, and I'm quoting here, over 10,000 happy customers.
Right.
That sounds pretty solid, doesn't it? Makes them seem established.
It does. But what's fascinating here is the contrast. When our sources went looking for any proof to back that up,
Yeah.
they found nothing.
Nothing at all.
Zero. No genuine positive reviews. And actually, if you look at a site like Trustpilot, Telegelam is sitting at an abysmal 1.4-star rating. It's just drowning in negative feedback.
Wait, a 1.4 star rating. But they claim 10,000 happy customers. Couldn't that just be, I don't know, a few bad orders or something?
You might think that, but the complaints are. They're systematic. It's not just my package was late.
Yeah.
We're talking about a classic bait and switch. We have sources documenting people who ordered jewelry or even, bizarrely, these advanced robotic pets.
Robotic pets. From a jewelry store.
Exactly. It's a huge clue that they're using a generic scam template. And what did they receive instead? Cheap, battery-operated toy dogs.
You kidding?
Not at all. And then there are all the other issues. Surprise charges on their credit cards, emails that just go completely ignored, and trying to get a refund is, well, a nightmare. It often ends with people having to file fraud reports.
So the whole thing is a mess from start to finish, and I'm guessing that starts with the product photos themselves. They look a little too good.
They do. Way too polished for a store that just popped up out of nowhere.
Yeah.
So we ran a reverse image search. And the sources confirmed they were just copied. Lifted directly from the marketing campaigns of legitimate high-end retailers. They're stealing professional photos to create this fake sense of quality.
So if the photos are fake, what about the business details? They list an email, a phone number, a physical address.
All copied too.
The address is copied.
Wholesale. Lifted from other totally unrelated websites. And that is probably the single biggest red flag. A typo is one thing, but a copied address means they are actively hiding where they are. If you connect it to the bigger picture, this pattern of just copying everything, images, contact info, it shows a complete lack of transparency.
And what about the site itself? How long has it even been around?
That's another structural weakness. The domain was only created in August 2024.
So very new.
Very new. And look, being new isn't automatically a sign of a scam, but when you add it to everything else we've just talked about, it's a really bad look.
And I'm guessing they don't have much of a social media presence.
They have none at all.
Mhm.
No active pages, no community, no updates. And in today's world, that's incredibly suspicious for any real business, right? You raises a big question. How can you possibly trust a brand when they have zero digital footprint on any major platform?
So what does this all mean for you? When you put it all together, the fake photos, the copied contact details, that awful 1.4 star rating, and no social media.
The conclusion is pretty clear.
Telegelam.com is operating with a clear intent to deceive. It's one to avoid. Absolutely.
And based on this deep dive, just think for a second. How many of these specific red flags, the copied photos, the fake address, the review scores that don't match the claims,
Yeah.
how many of these will you now automatically look for before you trust any new online store? You basically have a checklist now. Our advice, use it every single time.